Hello! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make videos like this. First, go to the flow, link in description, and create a new project. We need to create the images first. To do this, we'll use an image generator like Nano Banana Pro. They give you free credits every day, so you can start right away. For these videos, I use a special master prompt to keep the style consistent. You can find that master prompt in the description box below. Step 1. Create your images. Take the first image prompt from my list, put it into the generator, and your first image is created. Download it. Next, use the second prompt to generate your second image. Download it. For the third prompt, it's a little different. Put the new prompt in, but also select the previous image, the second one, as a reference. This will generate your third image. Step 2. Generate your videos. Now we turn those images into videos. Select your first and second images. Copy the video prompt, put it into the flow, and generate the video clip. Do the same for the second and third images. Select them, use the prompt, and generate your second video clip. You'll see this whole process only costs about 20 credits. By creating just these two short videos, you can make a final clip that's 10 to 15 seconds long. These videos, like this teeth cleaning process, get great views and can generate good revenue because people really love watching them. Step 3. Edit it all together. Now, open CapCut and import your two video clips. You can speed them up to make the action look smoother. Zoom in slightly to crop out any watermarks or logos. It's very easy to do. Finally, delete the old draft and simply export your new video. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make free AI videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos like this to help you earn online for free. Thank you very much for watching.